we're going to be doing Play-Doh with Teacher Elizabeth, and it's non-toxic.
Plastic container, flour, water, oil, salt, markers, food coloring, or Kool-Aid. Parents, we will be doing 1 cup of flour. We could actually practice pouring with our kids. Next is 1/4 of a cup of salt. Next, we will add 6 tablespoons of water. If our Play-Doh is too dry, we will add more water. If it's too wet, we will be adding more flour. If we are using food coloring or Kool-Aid, this would be the time to put it. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Next, we will be having our kids mix the ingredients. We could do hand over hand, or if they don't want to get their hands dirty, we could use a spoon. If we didn't use no food coloring or Kool-Aid, this would be the moment to do our marker drawing. So have the kids go wild on our designs. When our kids are done coloring, we will actually have them knead the Play-Doh. This will be focusing on their fine motor skills. The kneading will create a marble design in our Play-Doh.